All right, man. I'm on my fat boy shit. Since a nigga want to talk about what the fuck I got going on. Hey, man, stop watching my face so close, son.
I'm just hungry, bro. Lunch and dinner, nigga. All from today, nigga.
Hey, look at this shit, bro.
You in that car, bro? You in that car?
Nah. Bitch, what's your problem with trying to pour the juice on my shit, bitch?
Good, bro. It looked dry, like it needed thirst quenched. Like I'm just trying to give it some good vitamin C, like.
Wait, hold on, you're messing up, bitch. You're messing up, bitch. You're messing up, bitch.
Yeah, dude, I was trying to give you a thumbnail, like, my brother tried to sabotage my big bag activities.
Nigga eating cafeteria food, mixing the food together and shit.